So tell me, Mona Lisa, what do you like most about gardening?
Gardening will connect you to nature, connect you to God, and it's one type of meditation.
This could be one of the most highly asked questions to you as well, right? कि
Yes,
plants मर क्यों जाते हैं?
exactly. So सारे plants को sunlight चाहिए, पानी चाहिए, and एकदम अच्छा potting mix चाहिए. So people fail here.
And I think this is one of the reasons that you are like promoting your comprehensive services. Then
Exactly. Because people don't understand which plant where to put, and they keep asking this question: "क्या plant मर गया है?" The reason, one thing is for sure: you are overwatering or you are underwatering.
there must be some plants ना which are low maintenance.
आप पोथोस रख सकते हो, आप स्नेक प्लांट रख सकते हो, जीजी रख सकते हो, ये सारी लो मेंटेनेंस प्लांट्स।
And what about money plant?
पोथोस का ही मतलब मनी प्लांट।
मैंने सुना है पैसे भी आते हैं।
ये मिथ है एक्चुअली। तो
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of In a Swamp Way. Today we have Mona Lisa Angre with us. Mona Lisa, first of all, very beautiful place.
thank you
Very
so much.
very beautiful
Thank you
place.
so
I'm
much.
just loving it. मतलब इतने सारे colors है and lot of greenery around and birds chirping और हम बैठे हैं कॉफी पी रहे हैं. I'm feeling really good, really positive. So Mona Lisa, roof to roots, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's roof to roots.
Roof to roots. So when have you founded this?
See, basically, we have started this business in COVID, and it's almost 5 years
Okay.
now.
So what inspired you to start this nursery business?
So I started housekeeping business in 2014,
Okay.
and one of my clients asked me to maintain the cooperative housing society's garden,
Okay.
and I was not aware about anything about the gardening, plants or pesticides or anything. So I started taking classes,
Okay.
and I fell in love with this profession, and I loved it, and I started.
So tell me, Mona Lisa, what do you like most about gardening?
Gardening will connect you to nature, connect you to God, and it's one type of meditation, you can say. When you are with nature, you will forget about anything else. Just be with plants, mud, and you will like everything about it.
It's type of meditation or
Yes.
it gives you peace, right?
Yes, it will be peace of mind. When you are, suppose your mood is not right, so anytime you can come and sit here and you will be peaceful.
So let me tell you, Mona Lisa, this is our first outdoor podcast shoot, and I mean, you know, we are feeling confined. We are out in nature, and तो ना हमेशा हम लोग एक closed room में रहते हैं, like lot of lights and everything. Today we are feeling really different.
Yeah, and you know, if you go 5 minutes away from the nursery, there is a highway, and it's in Mumbai. So when people come here, they really like this space and atmosphere, and they feel like, अरे हम ये कहाँ आ गए मुंबई की गर्दी से.
Yeah, and I think this is one of the busiest areas. Right?
Yes.
Nice. Now coming back to the business, like you turned your gardening passion or hobby into business.
Yes.
So I want to understand what kind of services that you guys provide.
तो अभी सबसे पॉपुलर अपनी मुंबई सिटी में जो चल रहा है वो है कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सर्विसेज. सो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सर्विसेज मींस यू आर बाइंग प्लांट्स फ्रॉम अस. We are giving you maintenance, we are providing you maintenance services. My malis are coming to your place, they are taking care of garden. If plants get damaged, we are going to replace a plant with you.
Okay. And I think this is really required, like a place like Mumbai,
Yes.
and everyone is working.
Yeah, people are busy.
And I think this could be one of the most highly asked questions to you as well, right? कि
Yes.
plants मर क्यों जाते हैं?
Exactly. Plants मर क्यों जाते हैं? हमने इंडोर प्लांट लाया था, फिर वो मर कैसे गया? So let me tell you, there is no indoor plant available in the market.
Okay.
So सारे plants को sunlight चाहिए, पानी चाहिए, and एकदम अच्छा potting mix चाहिए. So people fail here. They plant their plant into mud, which is not right.
Okay.
So for each and every plant, there is a different type of potting mix. You should buy those. You should ask questions to people from where you are buying the plants. So it's all about potting mix. For cactuses, if you ask me, you will get different type of potting mix. For Kokedama, it's in moss and you can say this is jute and moss.
So we keep it as it is.
Yeah, then you have to dip it in the water and keep it in the plate.
Okay. I thought it is just for like a sapling that we are keeping it.
No. It's a proper plant, and if you want to keep it on your office table, in the kitchen, wherever you want, you can keep. But
I think this is looking so sustainable.
This is sustainable. This is biodegradable too.
Okay. Just now you mentioned about there is no indoor plant as such.
Yes.
Then what about people are saying, okay, or maybe we are seeing so many reels that you can place this plant in your bedroom.
Let me tell you, that is not true. So when you are buying plants and they are telling you this is indoor and you can keep it indoor, you cannot keep it indoor, it will die very soon.
Okay.
So better, if you are keeping any plant indoor, you have to keep it at least 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 days in a week near the window in partial sun.
And I think this is one of the reasons that you are like promoting your comprehensive services. Then I don't know.
Exactly, because people don't understand which plant where to keep. And they keep asking us question, मेरा plant मर गया है, अभी वो सड़ गया है, मेरा पत्ता टूट गया है. The reason, one thing is for sure, you are overwatering or you are underwatering, and you are not keeping plants in at least partial sunlight.
Okay. So can you tell me the exact process, how it works for you then?
See, we are giving comprehensive services. That means we are providing plants. Our Malis are going to client's place and they are giving maintenance services like cutting, pruning, putting pesticides, and we are generating employment too for our people.
And you must be facing some challenges as well, right?
Challenges in the sense people want result very quickly, which is not possible.
Okay.
So it is very difficult to make them understand result will come, but it will take some time.
So is there any timeline or any commitment that you give it to your customers?
See, once we provide the plants, we tell them the process, how we will work, how many times we are going to send our Malis to their place, and how we are going to maintain it. And if they are agreed, then we give them.
Now, tell me, like, is it something कि माली अगर घर में आ रहा है, वो कर रहा है, and comprehensive services, then I don't have to take care of anything?
No, you don't have to take care of anything. You have to just pay us monthly.
I understand that, but still I feel as a user मुझे भी तो कुछ करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, then they give you scope of work, how to water, how many times to water, and which plant. So if you are buying this plant called Aralia, and if you are going to buy this plant, you have to water it daily.
Okay.
But if you are buying this plant, this is Calathea, you can water once in 2 days.
Okay.
So we will give you scope of work, how to water it. That's all you have to do, and our Mali will come weekly and do this.
Okay. I am going to take this one
Yeah,
for my
sure.
podcast video. Tell me something about it.
This plant is Monstera. This is really very good,
Okay.
very sustainable, slow growth. You can keep it indoor 4 days and 2 days outdoor also, but not in bright light. It will survive in
Partial sunlight.
sun. Yes, this is very good.
But I'm really loving it. Like it gives you a lot of
Positive vibes.
yeah. So tell me one thing. मालिस को भी तो कुछ ना कुछ challenges आते रहेंगे ना?
Yes, there are many challenges. Sometimes traffic में फंस जाते हैं, कभी late हो जाते हैं, कभी client घर पे नहीं होता है. So there are challenges. But end of the day, it is all about relationship with our clients and how we deal with it. We have to understand their problems also. Sometimes they forget. And this is part of our business. So
it is more about love and affection.
Love and affection, you can say, good relationship with our people, with our clients.
So tell me, like some quick tips for people who are not going for comprehensive services, but like there must be some plants na which are low maintenance.
आप पोथोस रख सकते हो, आप स्नेक प्लांट रख सकते हो, जीजी रख सकते हो, ये सारी लो मेंटेनेंस प्लांट्स.
But I've heard money plant is also low maintenance plant.
पोथोस का ही मतलब मनी प्लांट होता है.
Sorry.
तो आप पोथोस रख सकते हो, it will survive in water too.
Okay.
You can keep it in the bathroom, toilet, bedroom, and इसके health benefits भी बहुत हैं.
और मैंने सुना पैसे भी आते.
ये myth है actually. तो लोगों का कहना ये है कि हम कहीं से चोरी करके हमारे घर में लाएंगे तो पैसे बहुत आएंगे, तो आपको मनी प्लांट चोरी करना पड़ेगा।
तो फिर हम बेच क्यों रहे?
आप लोग जाके दूसरों के घर में चोरी कर रहे हैं इसी के लिए।
तो फिर आई थिंक मुझे ना मनी प्लांट चोरी करके लेके जाना चाहिए।
आप बिल्कुल बिंदास चोरी कर सकते हो कि ऐसे ही इतना सारा चोरी होता है।
अच्छा,
यस यस। तो ये मिथ है जो लोगों को प्लांट चोरी करने के लिए मजबूर कर रहा है।
Okay.
ताकि घर में बहुत सारा पैसा आ जाए।
So Monalisa, you were mentioning about the bedroom, bathroom, are these places, right, where we can keep. So I wanted to understand, is there any significance कि वास्तु के हिसाब से हमें plants रखने हैं?
If you ask me, मैं बिल्कुल भी इस पे बिलीव नहीं करती हूँ, लेकिन जो बिलीव करते हैं, they come to our nursery, they ask for few plants, they ask their consultant, and they buy them.
Okay. तो मोनालिसा, मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स है, they are buying lot of jade plants, और मैंने ना बोलते ना एक वीक के बाद जाता हूँ ना, तो they are saying ये मर गया, and they believe it is a lucky plant.
Yeah, that's true. The thing is, what you know, jade is not indoor plant.
Okay.
Jade needs sunlight at least 4 to 5 hours a day. So it's a completely outdoor plant. लोग उसको मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं और लकी प्लांट बोल के घर के अंदर रख देते हैं और वो मर जाता है. And it needs very very less water.
So what if you have balcony or something?
You can keep it. You can keep it jade, and you will get different type of potting mix for jade, and you can ask your mali for that, and you can buy jade plant and keep it in the gallery. It needs 4 to 5 hours of sunlight, and you can keep it in the gallery where sunlight comes daily.
Okay. So the way we spoke about jade plant, there must be other myths also, right? Would you like to burst those?
Yeah. So it is like I'll tell you, a few plants need very less sunlight. Flowering plants need 7 to 8 hours sunlight in a day. So people ask me, हमारे झाड़ को फूल नहीं आते और वो शेड में रखते हैं. If shady place is there, आपको कभी फूल नहीं आ सकते.
मेरे मैंने जहाँ से एडेनियम, I used to love एडेनियम का जो पिंक फ्लावर्स है, तो मैंने मेरे घर में लाया था. For like 9 months I have kept it in my bedroom. ठीक है, उसको मतलब बोलते हैं ना, एक भी फ्लावर नहीं, ठीक है. So I went back to that nursery again, asked him कि है ना भाई, तूने मेरे को प्लांट दिया, लेकिन अभी तक एक भी नहीं, पर आएगा, टाइम लगेगा. एंड देन मैंने ना और 3-4 महीना देखा, देन फाइनली ऐसा लगने लगा कि बोलते हैं ना, इट इज जस्ट वेस्टिंग स्पेस. सो मैंने उठा के बालकनी में डाल दिया, और 1-1.5 महीने के बाद अचानक से उसको 3-4 फ्लावर्स आ गए.
Exactly. तो उसको सनलाइट मिला और उसको फ्लावर्स आ गए.
But that time I realized that adenium is not indoor plant.
So adenium is not at all indoor. So see, you have to be a little smart when you go and buy plants. You should ask or study little about plants. ये धूप में रहेगा, ये छांव में रहेगा, ये partial sunlight में रहेगा. सारी you like this plant, right? तो ये आप direct sunlight में नहीं रख सकते, वो जल जाएगा. So you have to keep it in partial sunlight.
Monalisa, last year we had one podcast with Vicenta. She's a content writer, but she spoke about sustainable living and lifestyle in a metro city. She was also passionate about gardening, and she had this beautiful balcony. तो उसने एक इंसिडेंट शेयर किया था कि उसके प्लांट्स मर रहे थे, and after few days she started positive affirmation. So she started spending time maybe during her coffee time, evening, or whenever she's free after her work. And she started positive affirmations for her plants, and after few days, उसके plants फिर से जीवित हो गए. So is it true?
Yes, Tushar, absolutely. It is a type of meditation, and you just can't go out and buy plants and keep it and call malis को maintain करो. ये ऐसे काम नहीं करता. When you go, far away from your loved ones, क्या होता है? It is just like that. So give love to your plants. Nourishment की ज़रूरत है. रोज जाओ, उनसे बात करो. और बहुत सारे केसेस में ये भी देखा गया है कि लोगों की हेल्थ में इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, नॉट ओनली फिजिकली, मेंटली ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू, एंड आई एम रियली एग्री विद दिस.
Monalisa, I'm really happy to know that you have so much of passion towards this gardening business, and you're also spreading a lot of positivity in terms of spending time with clients as well, and making them understand how it is important, and some of the other line, it is also helping our environment.
Yes.
Now I have one question. How do you manage everything? Like, who is your support system?
My family is always there to support me. whatever I do, if I want to do something new, they are always there. They have faith in me, and they know मैं जो भी करूँगी बहुत दिल से करूँगी. So they are always there. Not only my family, but there are few people in my life. They supported me a lot. हम बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ लोग हमारी लाइफ में आते हैं, कुछ ऐसा कर जाते हैं कि हमारी जिंदगी बदल जाती है. Few people stay forever. So ऐसे कुछ लोग मेरी लाइफ में हैं जिन्होंने मुझे पहला चांस दिया. I would like to mention his name, Mr. सुकुमूर्ति, जिन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट काम दिया जब मैंने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था. एंड सेकंड क्लाइंट इज मिस्टर अश्विन शेट्टी, जिन्होंने उन्होंने मुझ पे इतना ट्रस्ट दिखाया कि तुम ये करो, तुम ये कर सकते हो, बल्कि मुझे प्लान्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम कि उन्होंने मेरी ये जर्नी की शुरुआत की है. इफ यू आस्क मी, हर सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है, लेकिन मेरे सक्सेस के पीछे बहुत सारे आदमी लोग हैं, ऐसा मैं बोल सकती हूँ. तो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड एंड आई बी ऑलवेज थैंकफुल फॉर दिस व्हाटएवर आई हैव नाउ एंड आई एम लिविंग माय ड्रीम, यू कैन से. सो उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है इसमें एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल.
So I'm really happy to know your journey, Monalisa, and all my best wishes also to you. And of course, I will take some of the plans for my podcast, etc.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So now, before we move ahead, let's have a quick rapid fire. One gardening tool you cannot live without.
Your hands.
Okay. The most challenging plant to grow.
Succulents.
More easy.
Money plant potholes.
One tip for healthy plants.
Good politics.
One home remedy for your extra growth.
Vegetable peels.
What plants would you suggest for an office space?
Again, I would like to tell you about pothos, snake plant,
Money plants.
zizi. Yes,
How do you spend time if you're not gardening?
reading.
Okay. So your favorite Instagram profile for gardening? Succulent or pothos?
Pothos,
Seeds or cuttings?
cuttings,
Vertical gardening or terrace gardening?
vertical.
Thanks, Monalisa, for answering the question. So, Monalisa, as a gardener, would you like to share your insights about, any key message for our listeners?
Yes, Tushar, I want to tell all my listeners and our clients, if you have any difficulty in your gardening or in the maintenance of your garden, please reach out to us. And if we are not there, you can ask anyone who is nearby, who is dealing with plants, and they will help you.
And yes, if you have any questions, queries, please drop them in comment box so that Monalisa can help you out. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.